esclavi the people. Inside, original colonia, the people black. Original, yeah, yeah. Original construction, original stone. Yeah.
Hola.
Now here, you can see here. You can make a tour. Oh, no problem. It's new.
Oh, this is
Really
new.
new.
Yeah.
Yeah, original stone. Original construction.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah.
Different flower. Different name in the flower.
Yeah. Oh, new. Yeah.
Directamente desde el sur del Caribe, DJ Boo ahora presenta.
El perico la perdió. Sí, hace tiempo. Estamos en Chiriquí ahora. Va, loco. Ese es mi barber.
Oh, your barber. Okay.
Roper. The original church, the people black.
Yeah.
If you look it, all day the construction you different stone. Inside original stone, the house the people black, esclavi, original house. It's the only church 1763. The people black original. Estamos pendientes, todavía. The first office administration presidency palace,
Ah.
the 94.
Amazing.
Two-day office administration. In 1910, no office, the moving is the theater. The first theater is the first moving of Panama, the 1910. Panama independent of Colombia in 1903. Yeah, y esto first theater y first moving. It's the first church, the people black, 1763. The church unite Santa Ana.
Santa Ana.
Yeah.
I don't think we could come in alone. I think is what he's saying. Buenas tardes. Wow.
You look in the pictures.
Mm-hmm. I don't know, Marcus, but this is worth it. I mean, we were just gonna stay on the gentrified side. If you not grabbed us, and we didn't know the history. We just knew it looked like they were. Marcus, you keep asking me that. I know that, Marcus, but you keep asking me how much. I don't know. Why don't you ask him?
Tax, we didn't negotiate the price before we did.
I just hope we got it.
Sure. Santa Ana,
Santa Ana.
the mother of the people black.
Mm-hmm.
In the inside of 52, original.
Oh,
This plus, sitting 73, the people black is here, they play the bullfight. Is here.
Bullfight.
Yeah, 73. Mire, you different. Whole Casco Antiguo, Chorrillo, Santa Ana. You different corregimiento of Panama. Yeah, different. Different people.
different people. That reminds me. That's one of our great leaders that
Oh.
Remote. Before.
Inside. Well,
Yeah, the outside the city. Este outside, este the people black. You unique restaurant unique Coca-Cola of Panama. Y here Fidel Castro, Che Guevara. Y here. In 1906 fabrication the Coca-Cola and the working the people canal of Panama. Ahí inside is the Coca-Cola and working the construction canal the people. Yeah, you only the work, you make Coca-Cola the food. The world.
Yeah.
Mi respeto, mi gente. Ok. Ay, hay usted. Oh, my friend, yo, who, my friend.
That's pretty.
Como usted hace aquí, hace, yo no quiere ahí disfrutar. The fair shopping of Panama.
Or shopping.
The fair shopping.
Oh.
The
Okay.
1910. Yeah, hoy day you the shopping recommendation. It's a good price.
Ah.
Yeah, the price they for the people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, original. Yeah,
Oh.
Correct. The shopping. Ahora aquí, the shopping of Panama, the tradition, original Panama.
Nice. That's nice. Hola.
Ya se va.
Mm-hmm.
The hats, original.
Original.
Man.
Nice. Buenas.
Yo trato que sea mi letra.
So,
¿todo bien?
Hola.
Hola. Buen amigo.
The tradition, religion to the Africa.
Ah.
Religion, different.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
Arriba de los lados.
The first Chinatown in Ocean Pacific.
Wow.
Este es the shopping de Chinatown.
Wow.
Allá the food, the Chinatown.
Huh. The first Chinatown.
Chinatown, first Chinatown of Panama.
Wow.
The 1846.
1846.
Ese es February, the fiebre de California, the gold, the Chinatown and Panama, and the California. Yeah, the direction California. It's the first Chinatown of Panama. Allá the food.
Okay, so they've been here.
1846.
1846.
Allá the dog, the god.
Dog.
Yeah.
Dog? That's Dog Bay. Really? No, no. Oh my God.
And the looking, the mercat of Panama. The mercat. The fruit, vegetarian.
Oh, okay.
Supermarket of Panama.
Supermarket.
The big of Panama.
Fresh meat. Cool in here. Fresh food. Fresh. So this is near the fish market, right? Is the fish market like nearby?
Different.
Okay, but it's
Different.
near. It's nearby.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh my goodness! Look at all these fresh fruit and vegetables. Hola. You can smell the fruits. So I noticed they don't keep their eggs in the refrigerator.
California.
Hola. Gosh, that.
It's a natural juice. Food, natural.
Okay.
Natural food.
¿Tienes tu comisión ahí?
Yeah, reward.
The food.
Okay.
Aquí, the boat, the Pacific. A trasladation, the island Pacific.
Ah.
Here.